Let's have a look at some of the accessories of the ZQ500 series printers. We of course have the usual selection of soft cases and shoulder straps and AC adapters. But let's now take a look at some of the other accessories that we have in our portfolio. We have methods to charge the battery outside of the printer, including the battery charging cradle. This is the single slot device. We do also have a 3-slot and a 6-slot device. And note that those battery cradles are common to the ZQ600 series printers. We have docking cradles. The single docking cradle also serves as a vehicle cradle. Note that it is deeply recessed in the middle there, which means that it can support the bump out extended capacity battery option that we have available. Like so. But in addition to this, we also have the battery eliminator single docking cradle. And this is for use with printers when they're used with road vehicles or forklift trucks in the warehouse, and is an alternative to using a battery inside the printer. So if the printer is always going to be used with the forklift or the road vehicle, then a battery eliminator can be considered. And so we have the docking cradle here, which will take the battery out of the printer. The printer then docks like so, and with a connection to the vehicle battery will give you a charge whilst removing the need to manage a fleet of batteries in your estate of printers. So no more worrying about having to refresh the printers as they age and lose their ability to hold a charge for a full working shift. As an alternative to this, we also have a standard battery eliminator, which, as you see, the cable here comes with a false battery that inserts into the printer like so, and again will attach directly to the forklift or road vehicle battery and power adapter. In addition to these, we also of course have standard forklift and road vehicle chargers that will enable you to recharge your battery as required from the battery of the vehicle that you are driving. And in addition to that, we have another accessory that I'd like to tell you about here, which is the exoskeleton, here with the shoulder strap attached. Now this accessory enhances the supreme ruggedness of the ZQ500 series printers. It extends the drop specification from 2 meters to 3 meters. And it also increases the IP specification from IP54 to IP65. So if we take a look at the exoskeleton, we see that it is also recessed underneath where the battery bay will be on the printer. So it does support the extended capacity battery. We insert it like so, pulling the clamshell lid shut, clipping that firmly into place. And there you have it, a very rugged housing for the printer. Now, to print, we have to release this flap by the paper exit path. And I will show you now printing from this. And there you see we have an efficient method of printing using the exoskeleton, which we can reseal when not in use, so affording that heightened level of ruggedness and IP rating. Our range of accessories is unmatched in the industry and helps to differentiate our portfolio.